to show or hide today's schedule in Alway On Display, in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Tap Lock Screen and Security. Scroll down. Tap Clock and Face Widgets. Tap Face Widgets. Tap today's schedule, switch until blue to show, or tap until gray hide. Make sure in where to show you choose Always On Display. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.